Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. I'm going to get straight over the pitch. I've just got a break in the weather at the moment, so I'm going to get over and get this done as fast as I can, just so I've got something to show you. Okay, I'm going to get straight over and have a look at what progress, if any, has been made. The crane on the pitch. Okay, let's come up now. What's the crane for? Did they roll up or take it? So it's quite a lot. Look how ruined the pitch is. And everyone's saying about there's no chance they would have got this done during the World Cup. Right, they wouldn't have. That pitch would have been wrecked. Okay, it wouldn't have been as covered for as long, but still. Right, let me get a good look at what's going on here. You're down well in sight. I can see the drone. What's that for then? Does anyone know what that is? Because I might not be able to stay in the air long, guys, with as soon as I feel some rain, I'm coming straight back down. Just when you thought you're getting somewhere and the pitch is going to be fully uncovered and you might start getting a new pitch down. The bloody crane on the pitch. It's a cherry picker. That is cladding for up here. That's okay, so that's nearly complete, that side. So I'm just trying to work things out, guys, that's all, just bear with me. And that shoulder span is yet to be started. Right, I'm feeling drops of rain coming down. Right, this is a very quick one. I've got to get back in. Yeah, this is coming down, guys, so right, I'll see you in a bit, hopefully. I'll wait in the car. Right, I'm back. Yeah, if it comes down again, guys, I'm going to have to abort, okay? So let's try and have one more look at what this crane's doing. I'm not going to go right over the cop this time. I'm just going to get right above everything. Look down. So let me have a good look at the pitch first, because that's what I want to look at. Okay, so you can see how hammered it is. Can't stay up in the air too long, so this is going to be not ideal for me filming. Yeah, so, but I'm trying to go as slow as I can for everyone else. So what are these up to down here? Right, so they're getting the cladding, probably taking it to that cherry picker. The basket. And the basket's on the floor there. There you go, it's getting stacked on the cherry picker. So we know where that's going to go. Okay. Right, pitch wise, we know what's happening there. Is anyone on the roof? They'd be mad if they were. No, so right, I'm going to back up anyway, guys. I'm going to try and see if there's anything I can catch on the outside. Check on the progress of the forever stones. Oh yeah, there's a... looks like a second bench area is being made now. Or in the process being made. Yeah, you can see it there. The shape of the little rectangular. Yeah, they really moved along with them. I'm saying they must be easy to lay, you know, it's... I probably couldn't do it in a straight line. But for those that know can probably do that really fast. Like the brickies. Right, let me have a look. Along here. You haven't got a ticket, mate, you can't get in. Something's getting done with the turnstiles. Yeah. This tower's new, isn't it? Is it? Pretty sure it is. Take it has to get the brickwork done. Yeah, it is, yeah. You can see the brickwork down there. Okay. Out of there. There's a cherry picker inside there. Can I see what's going on? Try and get a slightly better angle on it. I don't know what's going on there, guys, but something is. Right, I'm feeling spots of rain again. I'm going to have to bring it down. Common sense needs to prevail over footage, unfortunately. But yeah, guys, that's all I can get for you today, unfortunately. I'll be back tomorrow. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Just don't go off this video. Yeah, I do apologise. Yeah, the rain's starting to spot a bit more now. Yeah, if you like the video, please subscribe. Comments and likes are always appreciated. And apart from that, look after yourselves and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.